They did not make this thing easy for repair. Take those damn relays out. And put some new ones in. This old buzzing making a lot of noise. Going bad. Oh, we all done.
And what about that's the house?
All done. Floor relays replaced. And back to heat again, it's electric furnace.